Here is the question. The question is 3, is it a factor of 28 or not? Okay, that they are asking. How we can check it? One by mentally, another one by dividing the 28 by 3. Because the word factor means it has to divide the number such a way that it should not leave any remainder. The meaning of that remainder should be equals to 0. That only we will call that the number should divide exactly. Then only we will call that one as the factor of the number. The word exactly you have to remember here. Okay. And then that exactly meaning also I have already explained. The meaning of that exactly means remainder should be equals to 0. So that only we will do it at an here. How we will do it? Take the number 28, divide it by 3. So we know that we have to count the 3's multiple. 3 ones are 3, 3, 3 twos are 3, 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, and then 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 20, 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. 30 is larger than 28. We can't subtract. Because of that, we have to take 3 nines are 27. Now look at that. After dividing that 28 by 3, we got a remainder as 1. If the remainder is equals to 0, then only we'll call the 3 as a factor of 28. But here we got remainder as 1. So because of that, remainder is not equals to 0. So therefore, we'll call 3 is not a factor of 28. Remainder is equals to 1, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, we write it as 3 is not a factor of 28. Now look at the next. Similar questions I will give. Now check everyone. 8. Is it a factor of 124 or not? Check it. Now look at this. Now look at this. What they are asking the question you have to understand first. 8, this digit, is it a factor of 124 or not? They are asking. For that I have already told you. First we take the given number exactly whatever they are given. 1 we will write. Leave the little space. Then write the 4 so that we can divide this each digit properly. Divisor is 8 because 8 is a factor of 124 or not. They are asking, so we took 8 as a divisor. Now we have to count 8's multiple. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 16 is larger than this two digits number 12. Because of that, we take 8 ones are 8. Then the remainder after subtracting 8 in the 12, we got first remainder as 4. Now we will take the next digit 4 down. The number will become 44. Now again we have to count the 8's multiple. We have to take the nearest multiple to the number 44. Again we will count 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48. So 48 is larger than that. So we have to take 8 fives are, that is 40. So 5 I will write it above the 4, and here I will take the multiple of 8 fives are, that is 40. After subtracting 40 in the 44, we get remainder as 4. This is the second remainder. So once we done this division of 4, we don't have any other number after that. So because of that, finally we got the remainder as 4. So based on this only we can decide the given number, is it a factor or not. So how we can decide means, so here we got a remainder as 4. Remainder as 4 means remainder is equals to 4. But if the remainder is equals to 0, then we'll call 8 as the factor of this 24. But remainder is not equals to 0. Remainder is other than 0. that is 4. Because of that, finally, we write the sentence as 8 is not a factor of 124. If you don't have doubts, I will solve quickly. Just see there. First, as I told you, write the division column properly like this on the lines. Take the digits, write it properly, leaving the half centimeter of a space between each digits so that we can divide the number properly. Then write the divisor as 13 because we have to check 13 is it a factor of this number or not. So because of that 13 will become the divisor. And then right side, if you know the multiples of 13, you memorize and do it or else recall and do it. If you doesn't know, multiply it on the right side and get it. 13 means 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1. Next is 13 into 2, 3 twos are 6, 2 ones are 2. And next we got the second as 26. Next is 13 into 3. That also will do the same. 3 into 1's place. 3 into 1's place digit is 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 into 10's place digit is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. That is 13 threes are 39. Next 13 into 4. 3 into 4 we have to do first. That is 3 fours are 12. 2 I will write. 1 we got a carry. Next 4 multiplied with tens digit 1, that is 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 carry, it will become 5, 52. Next is 13 into 5, that is 5 into 3, 15. 1 carry, 5 into 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. We got 65. Whenever we doing the division, we'll find the multiples of the given divisor till 5 are. If it is necessary, then only we'll find the remaining multiples till 9 are or 10 are. Just we check is that we are able to divide this whole number with using this 5 multiples or not. If it is necessary, then only we'll find 6 the, 7 the, 8 the, 9 the and 10 the. So now first if you look at that number, first digit is 2 which will become smaller than 13. So we can't divide. So I will take first two digits. If I take first two digits, the number will become 26. 13 twos are, here it is, that twos are 2, I will write it above the 6 because we should know that we not divided the first digit is smaller than the divisor. Because of that I return 13 twos are above the second digit, that is above the 6, and we got the number as 26. After subtracting 26 and 26, we got the remainder as 0. First remainder we got 0. Next, we have to divide the digit 3. Now look at that 3 is smaller than 13. So because of that, we have to take 13. Zeros are 0. And then we get remainder as 3. Second remainder as 3. After that, we will take the next digit 9, the number becomes 39. So now you look at that 39 is greater than 13. So we have to check the multiples which is either equal or less than that number. So exactly we get the equal only, that is 39. That is 13 threes are. So that we will write it above the 9 exactly. That 13 threes are 39. We got the remainder again as 0. So first remainder is 0. Second remainder is 3. Third remainder is again 0. So once you look at the third remainder, after that we don't have any digits here to divide. So because of that, we got final remainder as equals to 0. So when we get a remainder as 0, we'll call that one as the factor of the number. So because of that, we write here as remainder is equals to 0. If the remainder is 0, we call finally the given number. Therefore, 13 is a factor of the number 2639. 2639. So this way we'll identify the given number, is it a factor or not.